right, team. Time for our grand adventure. Everyone got their passports?
Yep, but this airport is packed. We better check in before we miss our flight.
Good call. Let's find the check-in counter.
Or we could just say we're rolling up to the gate like VIPs.
Correction, Jimmy. Rolling up does not guarantee priority boarding. You may still have to wait in line like mere mortals.
Haha, nice try, Jimmy. But seriously, let's compare formal versus travel slang while we go through this airport madness.
Good evening. I'd like to check in for my flight to London, please.
Hey there, we're hopping on a flight to London. Can you hook us up?
Translation, hook us up, means to provide assistance. However, this phrase is informal and may not be appropriate for professional settings.
So, in a formal setting, always say, I'd like to check in, instead of, can you hook us up?
Got it. Gotta sound pro when speaking to airport staff.
Please place your belongings in the tray and proceed through the scanner.
All right, time to ditch our bags and roll through.
Warning. Ditch implies abandonment. You are not abandoning your bags, only placing them for inspection.
Good point, champ. In formal English, we say, place your items in the tray, not ditch them.
Attention passengers, Flight 320 to London is now boarding.
Yo, they just called our flight. Time to bounce.
Instead of bounce, say, proceed to board the plane, unless you want to confuse people. Excuse me, may I have a glass of water, please?
Hey, can I grab some water real quick?
Observation. The formal request is polite and more appropriate in customer service interactions.
Moral of the story, when talking to staff, keep it classy with, may I have, instead of, can I grab?
Lesson complete. Your language skills are now first class.
All right, travelers, what's your go-to travel phrase? Drop it in the comments.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more modern English vibes.